Before discovering telescope, 5 planets orbiting around the Sun have been identified by human. Those planets are Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter and Saturn. After that, Uranus was found in 1781. Neptune was found in 1846 and Pluto was found in 1930 with the help of telescopes. In this way, solar system was consisted with 9 planets until 2006. But in 2006, Pluto was excluded in the state of a planet and it was considered as a dwarf planet. What is the underlying reason for demoting Pluto from a planet into a dwarf planet? After the year 2000, scientists found 3 similar astronomical objects closer to Pluto. Those astronomical objects were named as Eris, Haumea and Marki. Size if all those newly found astronomical objects were close to the mass of Pluto. Hence, there was a chance of considering all of them as planets. But this was a confusion for scientists. There may be more such astronomical objects surrounding Pluto in the Kuiper belt. If all those astronomical objects are considered as planets, it leads to unnecessarily expand the number of planets in solar system. Therefore in 2006, International Astronomical Union presented a concept known as dwarf planets. According to this concept, 3 requirements must be fulfilled by an astronomical object to be considered as a planet. First requirement is that an astronomical object must be orbited around the Sun to be considered as a planet. Second requirement is that the astronomical object should large enough to achieve a spherical shape due to its own gravity. Third requirement is that an astronomical object should not follow the same orbit with other astronomical objects. Astronomical objects those fulfills the first and second requirements of being a planet, but unable to fulfill the third requirement were considered as dwarf planets. In this way Pluto was considered as a dwarf planet together with Eris, Haumea and Marki. They all follow same orbit around the Sun, though Pluto demoted from the state of a planet into a dwarf planet. Another astronomical object in the Solar System has been promoted from an asteroid into a dwarf planet. Ceres, which is located in asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, has been promoted as it fulfills the requirements for being a planet. Currently, Solar System is consisted with 8 main planets and 5 dwarf planets. In the future number of dwarf planets in the Solar System may be increased rapidly.